Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your desktop background. Please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Let's start. So the way you can access the background is actually three different ways. The first way that I'm going to show you is to click on the search icon, and then you want to type settings. And you see the settings appears here, so you can click on that and you go to personalization, and that will take you to your background settings. Another way that you can access this is through the Windows logo key. So click right click on Windows logo and then go to settings and then personalization. That will also take you there. The last and the quickest one is to right click on your desktop, and that will take you to personalize, and that will take you to background. So let's jump into background now. So you click on background, and then in this window, once you click on the background, you have the ability to pick a couple of pictures. You can either pick and there are a couple of styles. You can have a slideshow. So for slideshow, what you'll do, you'll go into your computer and browse a couple of pictures that you want to be part of your slideshow. And then once you browse them and pick them, then they will become part of your slideshow and part of your desktop background. Also, the one that I use mostly is just you can have a still picture like this, and then so down here, if you can see this the recent one that I used. So you can pick one of them, or you can browse. You can browse for if these are not nice or interesting, you can browse to an interesting picture in your computer and use that as well. The third option that you have is also just a solid color. So if you just wanted to have a solid color, either red or whichever color you like, you can pick that as well, and then that color will be set as part of your background. I usually just like mine being picture, and there are a couple of other things that you can do. Also, if the image is not fitting properly on the desktop, you can choose a fit, and you can play around with this. You can fail, you can make sure go to fit, and then also you can stretch it. You can also tile the image and center it and span it, really whichever works best for you. And a lot of it usually depends on how much stuff you have on your desktop and what you want to be visible. So yeah, so you can play around with this. And also you have related settings down there. You can contrast the themes so you can click on that as well and pick whatever contrast you want over here. So that's it. It's not difficult. That's how you change your desktop background. I tend to change mine. I don't change them that often, but once I find a good picture, then that tends to last in my desktop for a while. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. So please just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.